Hi, this is the Ketogenic Jim. What we're doing today is a quick and easy coleslaw recipe. It's really easy to make. You don't need too many ingredients. The three main ingredients that you need is some cabbage, red and white is preferable, some mayonnaise and some mustard, but we're gonna add a couple extra little things in just to give it a bit more flavor. Okay, yeah, what I have here is half a head of white cabbage and about a quarter head of red cabbage. Red or purple cabbage, however you want to call it. And we're just going to chop these up and put them into the bowl. Relatively easy. And there's no special way to chop up the cabbage. You really just cut it into any form that you want, as long as you're getting the roots out and you're chopping it up into relatively bite-sized pieces. Okay, for the next part, the main ingredients, you're going to want to have about 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to use my tablespoon just so I can get into the mayonnaise easier. Then the other main ingredient is Dijon mustard. I'm using some English mustard. It's a lot spicier, has a lot of that sinusy, like kind of that burn. It's really, really good. The famous brand is Coleman's. And then we're going to put in the juice of about half a lemon. And that is your main ingredients. Yeah, you put some black pepper in, and then we're gonna add about a teaspoon, a little bit less than a teaspoon of some garlic powder. And then instead of salt, I'm gonna use some all seasons, which has some cumin, some paprika, and a couple other basic seasonings, and we're going to mix this together. Now, a secret ingredient to get the dressing a little bit more of a spice, just a little touch of white vinegar, literally less, like a quarter, maybe a half a teaspoon, and that gives it a bit more bite into the coleslaw. And then we're going to add this into the bowl. And now we're going to mix everything in. Just slowly keep turning it over, and you have your coleslaw. And that is your keto coleslaw. It looks really good. I just tried a little bit of it a minute ago. It's very sweet and tangy. The English mustard really brings out a really good taste. If you like my videos, like my recipes, I really would appreciate it if you just gave a thumbs up, gave a subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, if you want to get me on any other type of social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you just search Ketogenic Jim and I'm there. If you want to talk about some ketogenic coaching, I'm going to be starting up a ketogenic group soon, and I also do one-on-one coaching to really help you get into it 100%, get you into the fat-burning lifestyle. It is the best choice I've ever made in my life, and I really hope you do too. You can get in touch with me through any social media, and you can also email me directly, ketogenicjim@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.